please subscribe to the eyes of Owen.
Hi there, we're standing in mobile booth Lancaster, and please do subscribe the eyes of Owen. Thank you very much.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You will forget me.
I'm going to buy this, but I'm not sure if it's the right one. It looks similar, but I can't get to it because there's a guy stuck in the shelves. He's in my way. This guy here. Can I get a bit nearer? Thank you. That's the one. We'll go for that one. It put some rain down last night. Bloody hell. Thundering and lightning. About half an hour I'll be checking out. Just waiting for the video to render. All technical terms with me, render. Head to the airport, get the flight to Bangkok. Should be nice and straightforward, nice and simple. What I'm going to do in Bangkok, well, I've made this decision, is to keep off that drink for a while. As for Monte Hotel, I recommend it. Very good. Friendly staff, secure, good location, can't complain. Now then, where are we? I've just arrived at Chiang Mai International Airport. I got a grab taxi from the centre of Chiang Mai. Good. Now then, I've just arrived at Chiang Mai International Airport. Got a grab taxi from the centre of Chiang Mai. Charged me 60 baht, which is good value. It took about 10 minutes to get here, but there was no traffic. So I'm going to have a walk through the airport from international departures to domestic departures and just take a look inside. So this is at the domestic terminal. Thai Lion, Vietjet, Nok Air. So yeah, I've enjoyed myself in Chiang Mai. It's a good place to come for 4 or 5 nights. You can relax and chill, a few things to see. Nice and laid back, nice and easy. Another good flight, just over an hour. Oh, right, God, it's warm here. Right, Carousel 4, get my bags. I have to go to the Hong Nam first, and then get down to the MRT to maybe Phaya Thai or Makassar. The best thing about domestic flights is you don't have to queue up at any immigration. You can just go straight to wherever you want to go. It's quite busy. It's a lot easier travelling with this backpack on. In fact, on the next trip we will even cut it down even more. So there we are at Savannipur, and the lady on the ticket office recommends I get off at Makassar, and then I get the MRT, I think it is, to Sukhumvit. So the name of the station is Phetchaburi. What an efficient system this is. Puts England to shame. Oh, you don't know, you can't believe how hot it is. So I've got my Google Maps on, it's a third of a mile away. Over there in the distance is Soy Cowboy.
Turn left toward Route 3.
Right, this is my room in the drop-in. Very friendly guy on reception. Funny guy, really nice. You get a kettle, obviously, and your water. Now then, I'll tell you how much it costs to get here from the airport. The first leg of the journey was 37 baht to Makassar. And then from Makassar, a quick walk down another level to another station. I can't remember what it was called now. And that was 17 baht. And I arrived at the Soak. Look at this. They've even got Netflix.
เอาแล้วอย่างนี้ได้เรียกว่า
Why you won't make me
ก
here?
ริลไงต้องเข้าใจว่ากริลคือ